My name is Delaney Arzette Bradford, and I'm a junior biology pre-med major at Xavier University of Louisiana. Cancer is the second leading cause of death among Americans, accounting for 1 in 4 deaths. But more specifically, breast cancer is the second leading cause of cancer deaths. I know this statistic all too well. I have numerous family members that endure this battle of breast cancer, and unfortunately, I have lost a grandmother to this battle. Instead of letting this get me down, I have transformed my emotions into motivation to learn more about breast cancer. For the past 2 years, I have been doing research on synthesizing anti-cancer agents such as berberine, which is a known phytochemical. Our main objective is to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. BER1, which is a derivative of berberine, is much more...
That was too good, but hold up. Where was I supposed to zoom in for when you're talking about that?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. For the past 2 years, I've been conducting research on the synthesis of berberine. Sorry.
A bird? Alright.
Yeah, I thought I had that. Alright. For the past 2 years, I have been conducting research on synthesizing phytochemical... I'm trying to say berberine right.
It's fine. Give it like 10 more seconds.
Okay.
There we go. Stop. Pause.
I was about to say...
Free. It's still going.
Stop.
It's still not.
Stop.
Unpause, man. 1.
For the past 2 years, I've conducted research on synthesizing...
I'll do it again. Alright. Hold on.
I'll just wait. For the past 2 years, I've conducted research on synthesizing anti-cancer agents, such as berberine, which is a known phytochemical. To do so, I synthesize BER1, which is a known derivative of berberine.
Pause.
To do so, I synthesize a derivative of berberine, which is berberine 1 or BER1. This derivative has been proven to be more effective than berberine due to the lack of charge on the whole molecule seen here, which is seen here in berberine. I then take BER1 and use it to synthesize numerous analogs such as BER11, BER12, BER13, and other analogs seen here. After synthesizing the compounds, I test for purification and identification using TLC, which stands for thin layer chromatography, and NMR, which stands for nuclear magnetic resonance. You want me to do that one again?
Yeah, do TLC all over again just in case.
After the 2 tests?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, just like the whole TLC thing again.
After synthesizing the compounds, I test for purification and identification using TLC, which stands for thin layer chromatography, and NMR, which stands for nuclear magnetic resonance. An example of a TLC plate is shown here. The TLC plate itself is nonpolar. This is because any compound that is on the plate that is polar travels farther up the plate than any other compound. Seen here, the berberine compound is not as far as the berberine 1 compound. This is because BER1 is more polar than berberine due to the lack of charges discussed earlier. And then this is bringing it home. I got one more sentence on the first page.
Bring it on home. Let's go.
And then through this process.
Ooh, please do not.
Through this process.
Alright.
Verification. Through these 2 tests. Okay. Through these 2 tests, we found that BER1.
3.
Oh, that was. After conducting a TLC and NMR, we have found that BER13 is the most functional analog against negative breast. Dang it.
Breast disease.
This wait.
Yes, but yeah, I might as well just hold it for a second. 5, 4, 3, 2.
After conducting TLC and NMR, we have found that BER13 is the most functional analog against triple-negative breast cancer. This past summer, we conducted an animal study against...
All right, let me wait another 10 seconds so then we'll be able to cut it.
Let's go ahead. Don't move your hands. Just kind of like...
Okay. Fair enough.
You good?
It's a little bendy, but we should be fine.
Huh?
We should be fine. We should be fine. Alright.
This summer, we conducted an animal study using our compound BUR13 against mice. During the first week, we injected them with cancer cells. After about a week of quarantine, we injected them with our compound BUR13. We did this 3 days a week for about 7 weeks. Our results showed that during the first 4 weeks, our compound successfully inhibited the growth of the tumor cell. Unfortunately, during the last 3 weeks, we found that the cancer cell grew rapidly, and we had to sacrifice the mice. This study was very huge and very exciting part in my life, as I was able to see my work done in the lab be put into practice in real life. My research has reassured me that even though many women lose the battle against breast cancer each year, this war will be won. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed this video.